Well, shortly after I got the car fixed, I drove it to Fremont to drop it off, and the drive shaft broke as I pulled in the driveway of Burger King. So, thanks to a dear friend of mine, Jody from Marketplace Boutique, she came up and got me and brought me back home so I can get my truck and trailer and haul it back here so then we can fix that. And what happened was, this is a CV joint, constant velocity joint. These two pieces go together, and what goes in here are little ball bearings, which there was some of them on the, oh, here's one. Here's one of them right here. These are supposed to be in here, and you can see how where they would ride. There would be 6 of them, and this thing would be rotating around. So that's what happened with that. That was a pretty easy fix. It actually happened on the side that got the wheel bearing earlier. I probably should have changed this shaft then, but you never know. It happens. So luckily the shaft just pulled right off the spline. We could put it in. Isaac wound up tearing it apart, and I helped him take the shaft off because we didn't know. And he put it back together and drove out of the barn. So what I wound up replacing was that shaft, these rotors, as you can see they're that bad, a brake caliper, and a wheel bearing, which there's nothing left of the wheel bearing. This is all that's left. Completely wore it out. Mechanic's job is never done. Hopefully I never work on that car again.